Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today I want to show you 8 farmhouse finds for the 4th of July. Number 1, French lemonade from World Market. And you have maybe seen this before in a couple of my other videos. If you saw my summer porch and my living room reveal, you saw the French lemonade bottles. These are $4 from World Market. I suggest buying at least 4 of them, and I don't remember if the lemonade was good or not. I just remember I love the bottles. And so we wash them out and we reuse them every year. Number 2, Transferware. Pick up these at the thrift stores and at garage sales. I look for the blues and reds, and I also get greens for Christmas. Now I'll show you at the end kind of how I'm using mine. Here's another gravy boat that I just picked up at the thrift store. If you're trying to stand your plates up and you don't actually have the little groove in a shelf that you're trying to display your plates on, which I actually am going to show you in a minute that I did with mine, stick a little poster putty on them and do it anyway, and it'll stabilize them. Number 3, this is an obvious one, but vintage flags. This one is from our family. It is not folded correctly, so that's poor flag etiquette. But I found a couple of these little birds at a garage sale, and I thought it might be kind of cool to have them holding the flag up. I haven't set it up yet, but always grab old flags when you find them, either little ones that you can stick in planters or pitchers or something, and the big ones too. Beautiful. You want to have those on hand. Number 4, white pitchers. Pick them up wherever you find them at garage sales and thrift stores. They can be plain. This is a real simple one, or super detailed. And you can put flowers or flags in these. You can also put them together as a collection and set them up that way, or just pop one in a vignette around the house. All right, number 5. This one is also a good one to keep on your list when you're out garage sailing. Vintage books. I had someone ask me the other day, do you actually read all those books? And no, I usually do not read the books I buy for just the colors that I want. So blues and reds, have these on hand, and I like to pay 25 cents for a book, and I will not pay more than $2. So I actually don't get them at my Goodwill because they're more than $2. That might be a little price guide for you when you're out and about. And number 6, these paper fans. They have such a fun vintage flair to them. I got these at Michael's in a little set of 4. And then I found this image online and cut it out and stuck it onto the fan. These are really fun, all clustered together on a wall or something. Again, really vintage flair. Number 7, grab all the striped pillows that you have and use them in your patriotic decorating. Ticking is great. Of course, that's a very farmhouse fabric to have. Grain sack pillows, awesome for the 4th of July. And my newest love, pinstripe. I made these pillows, and I feel like farmhouse fabrics are fun, but I also like to turn it up a notch, which is a little bit of formality with my decorating, and that's where I feel like pinstripes come in. And number 8, vintage tennis rackets. And I like to pay about $2 for these, although I have seen them in thrift stores for like $15 or $30 even. So try to get them for $2 at garage sales. I'll hang these on the wall, or I'll have them up on a shelf kind of as the backdrop of maybe a bunch of pictures or something. And there you go. 8 farmhouse finds for the 4th of July. And these also can be carried through the whole summer, I think. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly on professional design advice and our vintage home life. All right, take care and I'll talk to you soon.